It's a startling image to see a red dress hanging in a tree, and you're immediately brought to the moment of why is that there? And so in looking at the item, I think, you know, what you're doing is you're, first of all, provoking attention. You're bringing people to ask questions, wonder why it's there. And I think around campus in particular, what we're doing is we're starting to engage with our community, our Indigenous community, in a meaningful and respectful way. The project came about as a way of raising public awareness around the issue of murdered and missing Indigenous women in Canada. And so the dresses are symbolic of those women and girls who we have lost throughout the years. And so they're a way of honoring their lives and also bringing to the attention of mainstream Canadians the issue of murdered and missing Indigenous women and girls.
My sister Yvonne Poitras-Pratt, gentlewoman, she was murdered in 1991. My other sister, Sikutsinayaki Jackie Crazy Bull, she was murdered in 2007. Yvonne really took us as her own children. She taught us how to cook. She taught us how to be good homemakers. She taught us to love one another. And she did this through her own expressed love towards us. She taught us through her own love. And to lose her devastated our family. And then when Jackie was murdered, it further devastated our family. And nobody's ever been charged in Jackie's murder. So we're still waiting for something to occur so that we can begin to, you know, put closure. And I don't think we can ever put closure on deaths of loved ones, but at least we can rest knowing that Jackie's life mattered. If we could create awareness to make Canada a better place, then we're that much better off. But I don't think we're quite there yet. We're just beginning with projects like this one.